Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween, you guys. I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween. And if you're new here, my name is Candice. If you're returning, welcome back. If you are not subscribed to my channel, like, what are you even doing here? Like, what is happening right now? You need to be subscribed. The notification bell needs to be on so you don't miss a single upload. We are here with this like cute Halloween look. This look is great if you have no idea what you want to be, which is literally me every year. Last year, I ended up going as Uma Thurman from Pulp Fiction, but literally any other year, I generally don't know what I want to be for Halloween. These are actually kiss nails. I picked these up from Walmart. They were like $7.99. This look is just perfect. I feel like it's pretty versatile. Even if you're going as like a vampire, this could pass for that. Even a cute clown, this could pass for that. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So we're actually going to speed through these next few parts and like apply my primer, which is this fancy touch of Silk Canvas. I'm also gonna do like my brows and my foundation, so we're just gonna speed through it, maybe even skip over it so we can get to the meat and potatoes of this tutorial. When I was getting dressed, my nail popped off, so I'm just like, I'll just glue that on later, so don't mind that. Brows are done, base is applied, and now I want to try out something. So for my transition shade, you guys know I love my transition shade. I'm actually going to be using this MAC sample. It's a MAC Studio Fix foundation powder sample in the shade NC50 that I want to try out. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It is perfect. I mean, it's not every day, you know, you see your makeup artist using a foundation powder as a transition shade eyeshadow. Oh yes, this is wonderful. This Juvia's Place concealer is, I like it. I like how thick it is. I felt like carving my brows out was so easy because of how thick the concealer is, and it's also acting as like a really great eyeshadow base too. So yeah, so I mean, no complaints on the Juvia's Place concealer. And no complaints on this MAC NC50 Studio Fix powder as my transition shade. So next, I'm going to go in with my AFU palette. I have not used this in, I don't remember. If I had to take a guess, I would say a year. But I'm going to go in with this shadow here, Attraction, because it's like that dark matte gray, and I want it to be cohesive with my nails. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I want. It's very reminiscent of the nails. I'm going to go in with my Joker palette, and I'm going to use this red here. And this is just a clean blender brush that I'm going in with to soften these edges and blend this together a bit better. Then I'm going to go in with my Mented Every Night eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with Brooklyn, which is this matte black here. And you see how it just deepens that eye for us? So I'm going to do the same to this eye. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the red, so that way it just doesn't get too lost in the darkness. it stays nice and vibrant and is able to pop like that. I'm going in with my NYX matte black liner. And now to add some vibrancy to this look, I'm gonna go in with my Glam with Tea red glitter. Matches my nails perfectly, so this is great. And then I'll be using my Duo lash glue to get this to adhere. Look at that. It just livens the look right on up. Boom. Let's go over it one last time with the liner. I'm using my CoverGirl Exhibitionist 24-hour liner in the shade Black. This is a good liner. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It smudges beautifully, like, oh my gosh. It's so good. Oh yes, this Exhibitionist eyeliner is so worth your time and money. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that red from the Joker palette. So I'm going to try Sage White and I'm going to try Drumbeat and I'm going to see how these look. These are cute. They're not bad. We're going to give the Drumbeat lashes a try on. For some reason, feeling like I should go with the Drumbeats. I don't know why. Yeah, I think I should go with the Drumbeats. I like the Sage White, but there's an inner voice that's telling me Drumbeats for some reason. So I'm gonna listen to it and go with Drumbeats. I'm using my BFF4 lip liner by ColourPop. And then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Major Shade liquid lipstick in the shade Clean Slate. This is from the Queen collection. And I chose this one specifically so it can match, you know, not to give you the finger, but so it can match my accent nail. Love. It matches the nails perfectly. And I don't know how this is going to work out because it is a matte lip, but I want a little bit of shine or like sheen. So I'm going to add a little bit of my MAC Explicit gloss, just a smidge. It's literally like a gray gloss. Hopefully this doesn't backfire. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna backfire. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my Makeup Revolution Batman gloss for just more like glossiness, I guess. So it doesn't get too dry, because honey, that matte gloss wasn't really giving. Probably, yeah, it's not gonna work well. The gloss is gonna work for photos, but not talking. I should have waited to do this at the end. Damn it. Because look at this. Oh. So hopefully this isn't a disaster. I'm gonna, oh my god, my poor nails are just popping off one by one. I'm gonna have to re-glue those down. I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line, do my highlight, and then I should be done. I don't know where my Urban Decay highlight is. Like, nothing moves without that. Like, that's my holy grail.
A few moments later.
Found it. So for highlight, I like to do a mixture, which is like my Mented highlight palette. I like to go in with this one, the lightest one, and then I top it with my Urban Decay Luminous highlighter. Oh my gosh, nothing moves without that highlight, okay? You see? Do you see why nothing moves? Like if I don't have that highlight, like, oh, it's perfection. That was a little bit of my Morphe continuous setting spray. Just gonna finish off my edges, and I like to use the Argan Oil Perfect Edges Cream of Nature. This is the best edge control I've ever tried. Look at that, honey. Stop playing along. Girl, it's not sticking, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna glue these nails back on, and we're gonna do my earrings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!